Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Skoda Octavia. So this is our 2010 Skoda Octavia Estate. It's the 2-litre diesel, 6-speed manual. It's had 3 former keepers, with the last owning it since 2015. It's got a whopping 12 service stamps in the book, with plenty of invoices showing the work that's been done over the years. And whilst in our care, we've given it a service, done an all-important cambelt water pump, given it a fresh MOT, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, it's in reasonable condition for the age and mileage. Couple little marks here and there, but nothing terrible. It's the Laurin Klement edition as well. So you've got some really lovely leather seats in here. Electrically adjustable driver's one with memory setting, heated as well in the front. You've got AM/FM radio, steering wheel controls, air conditioning. And as you can see, it's all in really nice condition here. Definitely been looked after. Good bit of legroom in the back. Again, all in nice condition here. Really comfortable seats. And you've also got a nice big practical boot. These are really practical motors, these. 2-litre diesel engine, you get loads of economy out of that, great fuel, great on fuel, while still having a good amount of power. Tyres are all in good condition as well, plenty of tread left on them. Really nice, practical, economical motor. Just serviced, cambelt's all done, ready to go to its new owner. High spec as well, being the Laurin Klement. If you like this sort of motors, why not check out our website? We've got all of our stock in there. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.